At B-Skill, we believe numbers shouldn't hold you back. Our functional skills maths courses help you handle everyday calculations, manage money, and build confidence for work and life. From budgeting and bills to planning holidays or understanding data at work, you'll learn practical maths you can use every day. Whether you're beginning at entry levels 1 to 3 or aiming for levels 1 to 2, our courses are designed to match your skills and goals. And with both online and classroom-based learning options, you can choose the style that fits your life. Delivered with the help of funding from the Tees Valley Mayor and Combined Authority through its Adult Skills Fund. Best of all, if you're age 19 or over, our functional skills maths courses are fully funded, meaning no cost to you. Eligibility criteria apply, so make sure to check before signing up. Take the next step with B-Skill. Grow your confidence with numbers, improve problem solving, and unlock new opportunities at work and home. Inquire today and let's get started on your journey.